Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting home decor content. Today we are diving into the world of elegant and modern dining room decor. Whether you are looking to upgrade your dining space or seeking some fresh inspiration, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Creating an elegant and modern dining room starts with setting the right scene. Consider the overall theme you want to achieve, be it minimalistic, Scandinavian, or transitional. The key is to blend the simplicity with sophistication, and we will show you how. Look at these stunning dining rooms. Notice the cleanliness, neutral color palettes, and strategic use of statement pieces to add flair without overwhelming the space. Now, let's talk about furniture selection. Choose a dining table that fits your space and complements your theme. Extendable tables are fantastic for option for both smaller and larger gatherings. For chair, consider upholstered seats with sleek design. They not only add comfort but also create an inviting and luxurious atmosphere. Lighting plays a crucial role in any dining room, elevating its elegance. Consider a statement chandelier or a pendant light to serve as a centerpiece and set the mood. Dimmable lights are fantastic addition as they allow you to adjust the ambience according to the occasion. Bright for casual gatherings and dim for more intimate dinners. Let's move on to the table setting. The way you present your table can add touch of elegance you are looking for. Opt for high quality tableware including fine china, crystal glasses and stylish flatware, napkins and placemats with a touch of texture or a subtle pattern can add depth to the overall look. It's time to add those finishing touches that truly add touches that make your dining room shine. Hang some eye catching artwork or mirrors on the walls to create a focal point. Greenery in the form of potted plants or a chic floral centerpiece can breathe life into your space. Elegance and modernity also encompass a clutter free and organized space. Let's explore some storage solutions that blend seamlessly with your dining room decor. Incorporate sleek slow storage cabinets or sideboards to keep your dining essentials well organized while also serving as a stylish design element. Textures play a vital role in creating an inviting and luxurious dining space. Consider incorporating different textures to add depth and visual interest. Experiment with materials like velvet, leather, or suede for your dining chairs. A textured area rug under the dining table can also ground the space and tie everything together. Don't forget about the window treatments. They can significantly impact the ambience of your dining room. Opt for drapes or curtains in soft flowing fabrics that complement your color scheme. Sheer curtains can filter natural light while maintaining an airy and elegant feel. Personalize your dining room with customized touches that reflect your style and taste. Consider adding a gallery wall with family photos or artwork that holds sentimental value. Unique and decorative serving trays or platter can also add a personalized touch to your dining table. Finally, your elegant dining room into a versatile entertainment space. For a sideboard can double as a bar during cocktail parties, and adjustable lighting can create a cozy atmosphere for dinner conversations. Your dining room is not just a place to eat, it's a reflection of your style and a space for making cherished memories. By combining elegance and modernity, you can create a dining room that stands out as the heart of your home. As you embark on your journey to create an elegant and modern dining room, remember that the key is to infuse your personality into the design. The right balance of modernity, elegance, and versatility will create a dining room that not only looks stunning but also feels like an extension of your unique style. We hope our tips and ideas have inspired you to create a dining room of your dreams. And there you have it, your guide to create an elegant and modern dining room. Remember, it's all about the perfect balance of simplicity, sophistication, and functionality. Let us know in the comments which idea you like the most, or any other home decor topics you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for the more exciting content.